Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you how to crochet a beautiful daisy granny square. This square is very simple and you can use it for baby blankets or bags or dresses or many projects that you want. For this square I used Alice Baby Best yarn and number 3.5 millimeters hook. If you're ready, let's get started. For the beginning, let's make a slip knot with first color and chain 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now slip stitch into first chain to form a ring. And now I'm ready to start round 1. Chain 3, that counts as first double crochet, and make 11 double crochets into the ring. Yarn over, insert my hook into the ring, yarn over, pull up a loop, and yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through remaining 2 loops, and repeat that 10 more times. Okay, I made 12 double crochets and now join with slip stitch in top of chain 3 and fasten off. Cut the yarn and round 1 is finished. For round 2, join the second color with slip stitch in any space between double crochets. Here, insert my hook and grab the yarn, chain 1. Now I want to make a beginning popcorn in same space. Chain 3 and make 4 double crochets into same space. So yarn over, insert my hook into same space, yarn over, pull up a loop, and yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and repeat that 3 more times. Okay, now I have 5 double crochets. Remove hook from the last stitch and insert it in top of third chain from front to back, and in last chain loop from back to front and pull it through. And this is the beginning popcorn stitch. Then chain 2 and make a popcorn stitch into next space and make 5 double crochets into next space. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Remove hook from the stitch and insert it in top of first double crochet from front to back and into last stitch loop here from back to front and pull it through. And this is the first popcorn stitch. Chain 2 and make a popcorn stitch into next space. Make 5 double crochets, 3, 4 and 5. Remove the hook and insert it in top of first double crochet and into last stitch loop and pull the loop through. Chain 2, and I want to make a popcorn stitch in each space around, and after each of them I'll make 2 chains. I repeat that until the end. Okay, round 2 is finished and now I have 12 popcorn stitches and 12 chain 2 spaces between them. And now I join with slip stitch in top of first popcorn stitch and fasten off and cut the yarn. Now for round 3, join the third color yarn with slip stitch in any chain 2 space between popcorn stitches. And chain 3. Count as first double crochet and make 2 double crochet in same space. 1 and 2. Then make 3 double crochets into next space. 1, 2 and 3. Okay, now I want to form the first corner of the square, so make 3 treble crochet into next space, yarn over twice, insert the hook into next space, yarn over, pull up a loop, and I have 4 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and yarn over, pull through remaining 2 loops, and repeat that 2 more times. Then chain 2 and make 3 treble crochets again into same space. 1, 2 and 3. Okay, this is the first corner of the square. Now I'll make 3 double crochets into next space. 1, 2, 3. And 3 double crochets into next space again. 1, 2 and 3. And now for the second corner, I make 3 treble crochets, then chain 2 and 3 treble crochets in next space. Chain 2 and make 3 double crochets into same space. Okay, and this is the second corner of the square. Then I repeat this sequence 2 more times until the end of the round, and then I'll come back. Okay, the round 3 is finished, and now I join with slip stitch into third chain of beginning chain 3 and fasten off and cut the yarn. And our daisy granny square is finished. I hope this video will be useful for you. If you like that, please thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Have a nice day.